Ọhamadike Ndigbo, Maazị Nnamdi Kalu. Your release will be a surprise to your enemies. We are going to remember you in one video and talk about your kindness and your good work you be doing for Africa. No be smart, you know. As we they talk that one, they said that the House of Assembly are calling seriously for the rendition of Maazị Simon Ekpa. As that one they happen, they said that the Igbo World Congress don't call and review how the Funanis want to Islamize Nigeria. Let's go and find out how all these things take they happen as we they talk. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today is the first time we they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We dey here today bring you ogbonge news as it dey hot. What you go do for us now to share the video and make sure say you dey follow our Facebook page. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn your notification bell, because if you turn your notification bell, you're gonna get our update back to back anytime we will drop any video. Yeah, my people, let's quickly jump into the matter where we'll get for our hand today. Today we are here to talk about the informidable leader Maazị Nnamdi Kalu, Ọhamadike Ndigbo 1. Buruburu nke izizi. This video that I'm going to play you is an old video of Maazị Nnamdi Kalu when they arrested him before, and this is the reaction of Maazị Nnamdi Kalu to the Hausas and Funanis they arrested together. Nnamdi Kalu stand for one just cause: the freedom of humanity, the freedom of Africa, the freedom of Biafran people, the freedom of Ndigbo. Let's watch this video together. I will come back and continue.
Come closer. All of you come. They should come. They should come closer. Allow them to come here. Go closer. Come. Come him to allow him to come. These people, their children are in DSS custody. They've been there for about 5 years. For 5 years without trial. That's what they do in this country. Very terrible. Over 2,000 people locked down there without trial. And this is not justice in any way, shape, or form. As Mary Wollstonecraft said, what makes you human is ability to reason. Here, people don't reason. That's why they're detained. Their children have been there for a very long time. Usman Abubakar is in detention. Muhtab Umar is in detention. At DSS, they don't want to bring them to court. The families are here. Ibrahim Yahya is there as well. I was with them. Musa Kalamo is also there. Belief is also there. Says Bachim is here and the rest of them. For 5 years, they're still in the country.
Yeah, my people. For most of us, where they dream to be like Maazị Nnamdi Kalu, it can only be it only when you are doing the good thing. It cannot be like Maazị Nnamdi Kalu with mago. So this is the good work of Maazị Nnamdi Kalu, and that is why he owns a people's heart and the people's respect today. Ọhamadike Ndigbo, Ogadrelaganamai must be good for you. Your freedom must you must regain your freedom, and the cause you are fighting for will never die. Biafra will be restored. You will see Biafra in your own time. This is our prayer of all the whole people calling for the state of Biafra, the Republic of Biafra. You all will see Biafra in your own time. This is my prayer for you, Maazị Nnamdi Kalu. Yeah, my people, let's quickly jump into this matter where we get for our hand today. They said that the Igbo Congress have called and review how Nigeria Funanis are trying to Islamize this country. So I'm going to play this video. All this video we're playing here is for you to know what is going on, where Nigeria has been heading to. Let's watch this video together.
Professor Anthony Ejiofor, bụ onye isi oche ndị World Igbo Congress, na-eweta ozi a n'ihi na ife ka nte abakwutego nte n'ọnụ n'ife gbasa ndị Igbo.
Nyabozi na wetelu no nwe ofu ụmụ ilu ife nge ebugodo ụzọ wee gụpụtala unu. Onwe otu a na-akpọ Miyetti Allah Cattle Breeders Association of Nigeria, MACBAN. Na 2008, onwe ebe kwuo oge ba na-asụ ndị mmadụ akwụ na Plateau, but they say the attacks on some communities in Plateau State is an act of retaliation over the killing of 300 cows belonging to our members. Ya ndị ba anyị fa na-egosi bụ na value of evi kale value mmadụ ba na-ebuzi anyị ka o si wee safa. Ya bụ ofu evi a ka a chịkwa achịdata ba anyị onweze ka isi wee nyubie nya efi anya iwu na ya egbu gị. N'ofu aka a o nwekwa otukpo onwefa Fulani Nationality Movement na nke ịchafụ ya Funan. Onwe ife akwụ January 13, 2018 ka ngụpụtakwala unu ya. Nothing will be left behind from the east, west, and middle belt except those who accept the creation of Allah and the leadership placed on Fulani in fulfilling this destiny. Inshallah, we shall take this battle across the sea, on the land, in the air, on the mountains, in every territory currently occupied by the Kafiris. This is our position. This is our destiny. Ndị banye fa na-agwa unu bụ n'ọfa anwụ obodo. Ndị Fulani n'ọfa anwụ obodo. And na fa nọ n'elu jihad. Na fa nọ n'elu total Islamization of Nigeria. Ma nke bụ nke fa ma nke na-abụrụ nke fa na fa nọ na total Islamization. Ọ ife a na-ekwu ife a. Ndị be anyị ọkwa osisi ka ha uji mma kwụli ya n'ukwu ya na-asị na ya egbute ọkwụlụ ofu ebe. Ndị be anyị onye ndị ilo gbaa gburugburu ọ na-eche ndụ ya nche mgbe niile ya na agwa bakwutega anyị ụnọ.
Yeah, my people say una don hear am. So most of all those things Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have said it in the past, that look at the plan of all these people and the way it is playing is coming gradually by gradually. And that's why they are working hard to plot somebody like Hope Uzodinma in Imo State, and the one in Ebonyi State, and the one in Enugu State. All these things they are doing it in form of different parties, not only in APC. They have their people all over parties in Nigeria. So Ndigbo should wake up and watch very careful of what is happening. This is our message today. We say we'll bring and can't give on a more and know what they go on. Let's quickly jump into the next Ogbonge news where we get for our hand today. They say that the House of Assemblies have called for Nigeria government to collaborate with Finland and the rendition Simon Ekpa to Nigeria. Now, wow. Let us watch the video together before we come back and proceed.
Crisis. Unless we condemn the sit at home in totality, as well as the nefarious activities of Simon Ekpa, who is a gang leader. 2, urge the federal government of Nigeria to collaborate with the Finnish government and extradite Simon Ekpa for prosecution. 3, urge the federal government to use political solution and approach in handling the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Mr. President, it is common knowledge that our brothers from the southeast largely hold the commerce of this great country. If commerce, therefore, is shut down in this part of the country, I'm afraid it indeed a national problem that I think should be treated as a national challenge.
All of us in the National Assembly, we have met. Everybody has condemned it. I need the Senate to know that there is no one in the Southeast, except the criminals, who support this sit-at-home.
These boys have caused an industrial problem in our area. And where he represents Senator Abaribe, they are mainly manufacturers. And Aba is a manufacturing hubs. None of the industries can open. People have suffered so much.
The Senate is now seeking the intervention of the federal government as it also expresses concerns about the seeming incapacity of the concerned state governors to arrest the situation. This moderates to a national crisis.
Yo, my wonderful people, welcome back as you have watched that video. No be smarty, no. Now waiting they happen for inside Nigeria now. They call for Simon Ekpa to be rendition to Nigeria, but in all these questions that I'm about to ask you people now, they know if you answer one. Mazi Simon Ekpa, why you people want to rendition Mazi Simon Ekpa? Why not use this same energy to release Mazi Nnamdi? Why not use this same energy to look into Southeast, give them seaport, give them free international airport? Let the international airport be free from your captivity, apart from other seaport, international airport that you claim, but it's not. So why not give Southeast the opportunity to have train way, like you have bid to Sokoto, to North, in Kaduna, and all that? But why not you bring all those things and stop wasting this energy? Why you people start doing the good thing? When Simon Ekpa talk, the people remind me, but who have this? What are we talking again? So the energy to channel to another thing, not for Simon Ekpa. Yeah, my people, let's share this video and make sure say you follow this page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update. Again, as they hot, we dey here, they bring you update. No, they finish for our table. We will quickly see you for the next update as they hot. Okay, my people, share the video and follow this page. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.